Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and in this video we are going to talk about ratio and proportions. And here's a problem. The data in the table below represents the numbers of individuals of the three species of beetles collected in the three different samples from the floor of the forest. If the number of samples from similar habitat is increased and a total of 560 beetles from these three species is collected, which of the following is the best estimate of the total number of the beetle of species Y that will be collected in all the samples? So here in this table we have three species, X, Y, and Z, and the species were collected in three places. And here's the numbers. So first of all, let's count how many beetles were collected in first trial. So 4 plus 6, 10, plus 7, 17, plus 2, 19, plus 2, 21, plus 2, 23, 26, 30, plus 12, 42. So let's put this number here. Total number of the beetles, 42. And this is going to be our sample space. And we're interested in species Y. So species Y are here. So let's count how many we have. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12. Here's our ratio. 12 beetles of the species Y to the 42, which is total number of the beetles. And basically the question asks us how many species Y we are going to have if total number of the beetles collected on the second trial is going to be 560. So 560, and how many species Y we are going to have here. So now we have one ratio, but if we'll have second ratio, we are going to have a proportion. Proportion when two ratios are equal. So how we are going to solve this problem? Take a look. We have to find how many times this number is smaller than this number, or how many times this number bigger than this number. So let's divide 560 by 42, and we are going to get 13.33. And that means that 42 is 13.33 times smaller than this number. Or we can say that this number is 13.33 times bigger than this number. A proportion is equality of two ratios. So that means that this number here have to be also 13.33 times bigger than this one. Or this one have to be 13.33 times smaller than this number. So how we are going to find unknown? We just have to multiply 12 by 13.33, and we are going to get 160. So 160 is going to be our unknown number, and as you see, this is answer B. If we are going to collect 560 beetles from three samples, three species, and if ratio is going to be the same, then we expect that we are going to get 160 beetles of the species Y. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.